Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. Hi there birdies, and welcome back to the channel again. And what do we have for you this week? This week we have an extremely common bird which is found all over Thailand and probably in your garden right now. This is the Oriental Magpie-Robin, and this is the male. The males are easily recognizable with their black and white plumage, and as you can see, with a white wing bar. The female, you can see here, also has the white wing bar, but you can see the female is more grey compared with the male. As I say, these are a very common bird in Thailand, found almost anywhere from mountainous areas, agricultural land, woodlands, gardens, and most often heard before seen. They certainly have an extremely high repertoire of melodious calls and are often known to imitate other bird calls. I actually have one in my garden that imitates a rooster every morning. So as we always say about seeing the bird, learn the sound. But as this bird has so many different sounds, we're going to hear a few different sounds. First is just a single whistle, which is quite often heard early in the morning. And then a song. Along with another song. And then finally this coarse, rasping alarm call. The bird that you can see here is clearly a juvenile, identified by the scaly head and scaly upper parts. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video, this time on an extremely common bird. Get out in your garden and look for it. And don't forget, please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. It all helps and gives me the incentive to make more videos. This one was the Oriental Magpie-Robin. That's all for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.